dear parents and my loving friends. Today is 15th August, a very special day for all of us. On this day in 1947, our country India became free from British rule. This freedom did not come easily. It came after many struggle, sacrifice and brave efforts by our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, bacche, Ashfaqullah Khan, Rani Ashmubai, Maulana Azad, and many more. Some give their blood, some give their youth. That's how we got freedom to rise. Because of them, today we can study,